Here's Columbia Gym. Today is January 6, 2025. Here's my truck. It's disgusting out here right now. This is a blizzard car. It's like slushy snow. Looks great though. There's icicles on the streetlights. Okay. Gonna get going now, I guess. See you in the car. This is the parking lot of Columbia Gym. As you can see, it's pretty bad here. It's all slush now. It's just ice. Doesn't slip when I hit the brakes either. Pretty much just freezing up. Here's another parking lot. Looks beautiful though. I'm not even gonna stop here because there's no car. There's one car. But all the cars with snow plows, there's no person out right now. Now we're in Giant, so yeah. There's not one car out here. It's all covered in snow. They didn't plow anything. When I hit the brakes here, it slips like crazy. See? This truck's pretty good in the snow though. Doesn't slip that much. I'm in snow mode. Here's Giant. Some blowing snow. It slips pretty bad over here though. I don't know if you heard that. Tire slipping on the ground. We can go through here as well. This is an old business. This is Ruby Tuesday area. Abandoned place. We'll do our skid. Pretty fun. Just don't want to skid into a street light, that's all. Car's not getting stuck at all, which is very nice. I want to see how the other roads look. It's still snowing. There's the police around here, so I'm gonna do a legal left turn. There's no cop around here. This is another street. It says Clarksville Pike, Clarksville, Maryland. Roads are really bad. No one is out right now. I don't even headlights even. I don't need the headlights even. But should have them on because it's snowing. Roads are very bad. They're not even plowed. Really bad conditions, man. I'm in the middle of the road. I don't know where I am even. This truck is very good in the snow. Yeah. Here is Clarksville Pike, Clarksville, Maryland. Clarksville, Maryland. Still snowing out here. Turn on my defogger. So you guys can see better. Sorry if it gets loud here. Currently at 21 miles an hour. 19 now. Can't brake here because it's a curb and I'll hit the tire and blow out in the snow. I don't want to do that. So I'm not gonna brake here. It's still snowing. How 32 looks. 32 east. I'm gonna go on the highway too. I'm so curious to know how it looks over there. But I'm first gonna turn here. So I'm gonna check out these roads a bit. Turn very slow here because this is where the car can skid. Yeah, right, the pool is open. I'm gonna go jump in an ice bath. There's probably a lot of people in the pool right now, freezing to death. So we'll go join them. There's literally no one out right now. This is Trotter Road. to the pool here every summertime. Just want to see how it looks here. Seems like it's been plowed somewhat. Then we're going to 32. Looks like the street light is crooked because they probably messed it up. Street light is messed up. I'll enter because who is here right now in this lake? This is the pool. We can stop here and take a look. Here is the pool area. I won't be out here too long because it's cold. But yeah, here's the pool area. Pretty weird being here. But we're here anyway to show you guys how it looks here. I've never really seen it like this before. Do they even cover the pool? Let's go here. Check it out. I come here and give my Columbia number, but there's no one even here right now. This is the outdoor pool. Who comes here? It's covered in snow. Here's the kiddie pool. But man, if someone was here, that would be so crazy. Let me go farther in here. That's inside the pool. But Homewood is pretty bad. Here's Homewood. Has not unplowed at all. I hope it's cleaner tomorrow. We'll see. This is the way home. There's a car stuck in the ditch. It's a tow truck here, looks like. The car slipped. That's how bad these roads are here. They're not even plowed. They're just compacted by cars, that's all. These are the roads here in Homewood. Trucks here. It's like they're driving toward me, but they're not snowplows. Gotta be careful over here because this is a very sharp turn angle. This road is terrible. 100 West was really good. That was a very good road. I usually go like 65 miles an hour over here on a normal day. But I can't even go even 25 in here. That's neighborhood speed usually. I'm going like 18, even 12 miles an hour. I'm not even going 20 miles an hour right now. 17 miles an hour. Say no how good this truck is in snow. This is a very good car to drive in the snow, the Honda Ridgeline. Highly recommend it. For you snow drivers out there. Circle around all the highways, and now we're home. Used to be a snowplow coming toward us. No, it's not coming toward us. This is our neighborhood. Here is really bad. This is probably the worst one ever. I took a pretty good fall here. This is the worst road yet. This is the entrance to our house. See how we do with this. We're gonna skid, we're gonna hit the stop sign. Let's see. No. Just for the fun of it, let's go on to the cul-de-sac and then we'll head home. Down Clarksville Court. This place is pretty bad. Whoa. I'm going that fast and then just moved around a lot. Going like 7 miles an hour. I shouldn't be slamming on the brakes like that, but I did anyway. When you do hit the brakes, slips really bad. Imagine those people who go like 20 miles an hour and they hit someone when they skid. I feel like I'm getting stuck here, but I'm not. They don't come plow here at all. This is downhill. I'm gonna come back park in the driveway. Thanks for watching the video.